model, 64-plate IVECO daily 35C13 flatbed low mileage spares OR repairs twin-wheeler manual gearbox. Body, yellow, flatbed. Mileage, 94,647. MOT, 21 October 2024. Engine, 2287 CCF1AE3481M. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. No drive gearbox is faulty and will not engage any gears. Gearbox will need replacing. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, electric window.